able to do another video today. The sun's kind of really bright in my face, but I've been bugging my buddy David here for a while. He's got this Jeep SRT8, and I have the other Jeep that was on my channel before. It got a lot of attention, so I wanted to do another Jeep, and he's been building this one for a while. Slight modifications, looks pretty cool. I've been bugging him so I can get it back on the channel so you can check out this Jeep. I know there's a lot of fans out there on YouTube that likes Jeeps, and probably not a lot of people have a built one like this, so that's why I really wanted to get it on the channel. So let me get some information from him. I'll do some walkarounds and I'll tell you guys about this Jeep right here, this SRT8. Sounds really nice. We'll start it up. Alright, cool. So he's giving me a little bit of background information on this truck. So this truck, as many of you know, comes with a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle, and it's right around 900 horsepower right now. It's not been dyno tuned yet, but it's on E85 with full bolt-ons. It's got catless. He got the cat deletes on it, intake, pulley upgrade, stuff like that. I'll have him give a little information too on camera because he could probably talk about it better than I can. But I'll show you guys the engine right here. We got the hood popped. I'm curious to see how this thing pulls, man. It sounds really nice. That's a lot of power, you know, in a vehicle. It's a big SUV, but it's a supercharged motor. This is a Hellcat motor. It's cool that they put it in the Jeep, the SRT8 Jeep. That's a good match right there. So let me show you guys around the Jeep. Let me reverse the camera. We'll do a quick walk around. There you go. New body style, 2018 model. Got the Brembo brake package that the SRT8 comes with. Those are some big brakes. It's got some Nitto tires on there. It's got the white and black setup, black tint, black wheels. Looks pretty cool. You can see here we got a trailer hitch on it. He got that installed because he tows a race car, an Evo, with it. We could probably get that on the channel soon too. I want to show you guys the Evo. But the body's looking pretty clean. It's very clean. Sleek looking. I like the way it looks. Let me show you guys under the hood real quick. So we got the intake. Like I said, the car has full bolt-ons. You can see the aftermarket pulleys. SRT supercharger. Catch can. It's pretty stock looking, but I'm sure it's very quick. Yeah.
I know, but it was giving it too much tension.
Oh, really?
That was the issue. That's why I bought the catch can and mounted up to the supercharger, but initially I had a what is it called, an idler, but it was giving it too much tension, so it was making it slip actually.
Oh, really?
So that was the issue. So we just got rid of the idler, just put the catch can right there. It looks nice too. You got a little,
yeah,
little Hellcat symbol.
Cool. See what this thing looks like on the inside. It's pretty cool. 2018. I've only seen the older Jeeps. Haven't really seen the interior of these newer ones. A lot of people have the old 08, 09 models. These ones are very expensive. So it's a little shot of the interior. Trackhawk seats. Those things are pretty nice. WeatherTech floor mats. It's a little dirty inside, but this is a daily driver, so we can't expect it to be perfect. Entertainment center on the center right there. Paddle shifters. Engine start, push to start. It's got a cool cluster. I'll start it up so you can see how it starts up and see the entertainment center. It's pretty nice. Let's check out the back seats. Black leather interior as well in the back. It's a pretty long sunroof. That's a nice touch. It's pretty cool. Yeah, interior is pretty cool. It's nice and sporty and simple. Paint's really nice. I'm a fan of white vehicles like this. I like the black on white combination. Reminds me of my Infiniti G35. But I've been wanting to get this truck on the channel for a while now. And I talked to him. I told him we should do some POV driving, get some exhaust notes on here too. So we'll do some POV pulls. You'll catch that in a different video. I'll have that with a GoPro so you could see and get an idea of how these sound and how they pull. Especially this one with all the bolt-ons and the E85 tune. Sounds really good. It's got a nice exhaust system on it as well. So I'm curious to see how fast this thing's gonna pull. It's probably one of the most horsepower cars I've ever been in. So if you ever own one of these, this is what the key looks like. Trackhawk. Let's get inside it. See what this cluster looks like. Connected device. Pretty simple shifter. Got your different modes. Track, sport, auto, snow, and a tow mode. That's pretty cool. Drive modes, custom. And we got a launch setting. That's pretty badass. Looks like we got some lane keep assist, eco mode, traction control. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty nice steering wheel as well. The Trackhawk steering wheel. It's pretty nice. Here we go, a quick walk around, one last walk around so you can see it with the hood closed. It's really nice. I like the way this Jeep looks. It's a nice tow rig right here that can smoke a lot of cars. Like I said, we're going to do some POV runs in this thing and some pools, so it's going to be some pretty nice content of this Jeep coming right up. Bad SRT Jeep right here, Trackhawk. Thing's mean looking.